Hello, today we are going to change engine oil in this bike.
First we need to warm up the bike a little. After running the engine for a couple of minutes, we can turn it off. Next step is cleaning engine and frame oil drain plugs. For this I use a brush and brake cleaner. Now we can unscrew the frame tube oil drain plug and drain the oil.
Fajnie.
When there will be no more oil, we can screw back the plug with new copper washer on it. According to the service manual, this bolt should be tightened with 39 Nm torque. Anyway, it seems a lot, and next time I will use less torque. Next we drain oil from the engine, so we need to unscrew engine oil drain plug. As you can see, there is not much oil. Again we use new copper washer and screw back the plug. This time we torque it using 25 Nm torque. Now it's time for the oil filter. First we clean the cover and bolts holding it a little using a brake cleaner. After this we unscrew two bolts holding oil filter cover. Some oil will spill out, so there should be a can under the engine. When there is no cover, we can remove the oil filter. We can clean engine from the oil leftovers before putting it back together. We should compare old and new oil filter before putting it back. Also make sure there is a rubber sealing on it. After putting filter into the engine, make sure that rubber sealing is faced outside. Putting oil filter back to front may kill your engine. I also change O-ring on the oil filter cover. Before mounting oil filter cover back, I lube the O-ring with the old oil. You need to push the cover while screwing it back because there is a spring pushing the filter out. I tighten those two bolts a little using a screwdriver. Here you can see new engine oil. I prepared 2 liters of it. Using this big bottle is not as handy as this smaller one, so to improve this you can use this smart pipe from the smaller container. It makes pouring much easier. So now you can unscrew the dipstick and pour the oil. When we finish, we put back the dipstick. Now it's time for a test ride. Let the engine run for some time to warm up. After turning engine off, wait 1 or 2 minutes and then check the oil using the dipstick. As you can see, there is proper level of oil, so now just put the dipstick back and we can ride another 1000 kilometers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe.